This is how you download photos from the internet onto your iPhone. I use a website called Pixabay. We get there through Safari. It is pixabay.com, Pixabay.com. It's a royalty-free image and stock video and sounds and music website. It has so much stuff. You're almost sure to find something you like here. Once you get to this website, there is a search bar. The main search bar allows you to search the entire website and our whole catalog. We can also tap into subtabs like photos, and this will search in just the photos. So if you wanted photos for spring, just type spring in there, hit search, and there's 171,909 photos that are tagged as spring. It's quite a few. A lot of flowers. Spring flowers. Well, there's a couple taking a walk right there. You can also refine it further. You can say spring landscape, spring cafe, spring. Let's try spring cafe. Spring cafe, and then search. And now it's pictures of various cafes in the springtime, and a cat. Of course, always a cat. You can also use filters to refine your search further. There's a lot of options for finding images. Once you've found an image that you like, let's pretend this is the one right here. Tap on it. You see a download button here. You can also edit the image in Canva. If you have a Canva account, a free or a paid, you can do various things with this image inside there. We're just going to download it for this use case. Just tap on download. It says here, do you want to download this file name as a JPEG? Yep, sounds good. Tap on download and wait for it. This must be a really big file because it's taking a while. And here it shows it's downloaded. Where it goes is not immediately clear, but it goes into the Files app on your phone. To find that, you can find the Files app on your home screen, which I almost never do. I tap on the spotlight search here. I start typing files. There it is right there. Tap on that to open it. This is a vector graphic we downloaded recently. You want to press back on the top left as far as you can, and you should come to a browse page. You probably have these options listed as options on your phone. I have favorited the downloads folder, so it appears right here. The file you downloaded is almost certainly inside the On My Phone folder. So check in there for a downloads folder or a recently downloaded or a recents or something like that, and then open that folder. I'm going to tap on downloads here, and that takes us to my downloads folder, and our picture is right here. There's our cafe. And now we can edit it with various options for iPhone picture editing. We can also tap the share button, share it with our friends, share it to social media, do all kinds of stuff. That's how you get pictures on your phone from the internet. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video on your screen right now, which shows you how to clear the trash can of your iPhone. If you haven't done that before, you probably need to start doing that. So check out that video. I'll see you there.